This Nuwave PIC Titanium Pro is a standout countertop appliance designed for those who seek precision and versatility in their cooking endeavors. Whether you are a seasoned chef or a home cook, this induction cooktop offers features that make it a worthy addition to any kitchen. Let's dive into the details and explore what makes the Nuwave PIC Titanium Pro an excellent choice. The Nuwave PIC Titanium Pro boasts a sleek black finish that complements any kitchen decor. Its compact and lightweight design makes it ideal for small kitchens, dorm rooms, and RVs, or as an additional cooktop for busy kitchens. The surface is made of durable, shatterproof ceramic glass that ensures longevity and easy maintenance. The intuitive digital controls are positioned conveniently for ease of use, and the cool white display enhances readability, providing a wealth of information for an interactive cooking experience. One of the most significant advantages of the Nuwave PIC Titanium Pro is its precise temperature control. With 106 pre-programmed temperature settings, you can fine-tune your cooking from 50 to 575 degrees Fahrenheit in 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments. This level of control allows you to cook delicate sauces at a low 100 degree F or sear steaks at a high 575 degrees Fahrenheit with ease. The inclusion of 5 newly selected preset temperatures: low = 100 degrees Fahrenheit, medium = 200 degrees Fahrenheit, medium high = 300 degrees Fahrenheit, high = 400 degrees Fahrenheit, Sear = 575 degrees Fahrenheit adds to its versatility, making it suitable for a wide range of cooking tasks. The Nuwave PIC Titanium Pro comes with an advanced integrated digital smart thermometer. This feature displays real-time ambient temperature and allows you to set and monitor internal temperatures from 50 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Additionally, the target setting offers precise control over external temperatures of liquids like chocolates and oils, ranging from 50 to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures that your cooking is always on point, as the cooktop continuously monitors and adjusts the temperature to maintain consistency. For added convenience, the Nuwave PIC Titanium Pro includes 4 programmed recipes with a thermometer and holder: boiling pasta, cooking soup stock, deep frying, and cooking rice. These automated functions have been rigorously tested for accuracy, ensuring perfect results every time. Additionally, the cooktop offers 46 memory slots where you can save your favorite recipes. This feature is particularly useful if you have perfected a dish and want to replicate it with the same precision every time. The Nuwave PIC Titanium Pro is designed with user convenience in mind. The controls can be locked at any time for safety, preventing accidental changes during cooking. The cooktop can also be muted if you prefer a quieter cooking environment. Furthermore, you have the option to set the temperature readings in either Fahrenheit or Celsius, catering to your preference. Induction cooking is known for its efficiency, and the Nuwave PIC Titanium Pro is no exception. It heats pots directly, converting 85% to 90% of its electromagnetic energy to heat energy, compared to only about 30% for traditional stovetops. This means faster cooking times and lower energy consumption, saving you both time and money. Safety is also a top priority. The cooktop will automatically shut off when the set cook time is completed or if there is no cookware detected on the surface. This reduces the risk of burns and other accidents, making it a safe choice for any household. The Nuwave PIC Titanium Pro is incredibly versatile and capable of handling a variety of cooking techniques. You can sear, boil, simmer, fry, deep fry, stir fry, sauté, steam, slow cook, BBQ, melt, grill, warm, or simply reheat and keep food warm for up to 100 hours. This versatility makes it an all-in-one cooking solution, perfect for those who enjoy experimenting with different recipes and cooking methods. Nuwave is known for its commitment to customer satisfaction. The Nuwave PIC Titanium Pro comes with built-in 46 memory slots where you can save your favorite recipes, and the company provides excellent customer support. The cooktop is backed by Nuwave's dedication to providing safe, affordable, and environmentally friendly products. Since 1993, Nuwave has been striving to improve the quality of life for its customers through innovative technology. Conclusion: the Nuwave PIC Titanium Pro is a powerful and versatile induction cooktop that offers unparalleled precision and convenience. Its wide temperature range, an integrated smart thermometer, pre-programmed recipes, and user-friendly features make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you are cooking at home, in a dorm room, or an RV, this cooktop delivers efficient and consistent results every time. If you are looking for a reliable and advanced cooking appliance, the Nuwave PIC Titanium Pro is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.